Everyone, this is Kiko Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa nandito ng reaction video, ang magical duets of Rita Daniela and of course, Julian Sanoset takes center stage sa All Out Sunday. So this is Julian and Rita cast the magic of Wicked on the Ayos stage. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. Bagay sa kanila yung kanta kasi alam nyo bakit. It's all about friendship, right? It's all about friendship. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Go! Just, i-go na natin to.
Maayong udto mga kaayos!
Maayong udto!
Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa
Alam
only
mo yan,
celebrations
good
natin today. At meron pa nga tayong gustong batiin.
Sino
Happy
naman?
100 years Del Monte Kaayo!
Oy! Del Monte, support naman natin yung Del Monte. Support naman natin yung Del Monte. Watch niyo yung ano. Watch niyo yung, what do you call this? Yung interview ni Karen Davila.
And Julian San Jose.
Ay, ito na. Ito na. Patingin. Let's check it out. Na para bang? Ay? Ay? Ay, nagpapakilala na naman si Julian. Na-miss ko ito yung mga ganitong boses ni Julian. Kasi nung nag-start ako mag-reaction video, ito yung mga ganitong klaseng kanta yung kinakanta nila before sa Queendom eh. Yung very theater. Well, up until now pa din naman. Yun pa din naman talaga yung kinakanta. May mga kinakanta pa din naman sila somehow. Hindi lang sila puro birit ah. Kanta ng emotion. Yung feelings talaga, no?
To those who help us most above, if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm right on today, because I knew you. That we will never meet again in this lifetime.
Oh my God. Ang gaan-gaan ng vibe. Agree ba kayo? Ako lang or kayo din? Na parang alam mo yung parang ang gaan-gaan ng vibe ng kantang to. Hindi ako pamilya, hindi ko pa napanood yung Wicked 2. Wicked 1 pa lang. Okay.
That we will never meet again in this lifetime. So much to say before we part. So much is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me like the handprint on my heart. And now whatever our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. It glowed from its morning by a wind of the sea, like a sea dropped by a skybird in a distant world.
Ang ganda ng inusi. Ay! Yung itsura nila, yung the way they look at each other, yung tipong alam mo yung feel mo na genuine ang friendship nila. I love that. Ganda ni Julie, no? Si Rita din, malinis. Nice. Ay. Wait lang, naiiyak ako sa part ni Rita. Hindi ko alam. Parang yung part niya yun, parang nakakaiyak siya. Sorry ah. Ano mo? Hindi napaka-genuine. tama o kayo din naiiyak? I know you. Naiiyak talaga ako, I swear. Walang eme. Ang ganda ng duet nila dito, I swear. Because I know you. Wow. Naiiyak si Rita. Naiiyak si Rita. Because I know you. Grabe, naiiyak ako. Oh my God! Super nakakaiyak! Nakakainis naman tong friendship nila. Nagpapaiyak sila.
Wow! Grabe!
Seriously, naiiyak talaga ako. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ang ganda ng part na Because I Know You. Ay, hindi yun? Asan na yung Because I Know You na part? Ay. Ito. Kakainis. Si Rita parang iiyak na. Kakainis. Atake sila dito, me. I swear. Anyways, that is our for today's video, the magical duet of Rita and nakainis naman kung kailan pa talaga yung last part nung tayo naiyak. This is Kinky Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!